Hello and welcome back to Best Bet Trades. Today we're going to go over ticker symbol PROG, Progenity. I'm going to actually walk you guys through step by step of how I look through things and how I break it down in my analysis so you guys can do the same thing with our indicators. Hit the like button, join, subscribe, get in the Discord. Love to see you there. It's totally free. You get all the indicators, all our call outs, our help. We help people along the way. We'll teach you. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. Progenity. Let's start on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, it's just too volatile on the 5 minute, but you could tell it's overbought. Our indicators let you know that it's overbought because it's all white. It's really too volatile, so I really don't watch the 5 minute. It's just too much volatility. So with that being said, I'm going to move on to the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart, as you can see, the 15-minute chart's a lot better. The morning she dropped off, this is the previous day low and this is the previous day high. So this morning she dropped off, as you see on the MACD and RSI, but she was towards the bottom here. And $1.12 support. Bounce back up, hit the resistance at $1.16. She's right there at that level. She needed to make this support, otherwise she was going to be going down because that's the previous day low. That's one of the indicators that I use. As you can see, she's consolidating. She did come down, it was red, but you can see on our candles it was green the whole time. Yeah, there was outlined in red, but that's just showing strength the whole time. They're green. There's no red in there as in the morning. So if you were just watching that, you could tell, hey, it's got strength. She did gap up and leave a gap now at $1.16, and she gapped up again at, there's a gap below at $1.19. So she is gapping up. She is overbought, as you can see that the candle is white, letting you know it's in the overbought territory. And this is the previous day high. So with that being said, look at the wicks right here on the sell. On yesterday, there's a lot of resistance around this level. What she really needs to do is jump up and make $1.23 support. So if she could jump up here and make $1.23 support and consolidate, that's what you want to see. Because right here, look at all these wicks right here on the sell, especially on yesterday. There's a lot of resistance in this level, but she is looking good overall. But like I said, there's gaps below now, but there's a huge support at $1.19. So that's another support level. If she comes up to $1.23 and can't make it support, she might drop down to $1.19. Hopefully she holds that as support and then consolidates and rips up. Let's go on the 30-minute. She's looking really good on the 30-minute. She's looking really good on the 30-minute. The MACD and everything is just crossing over. There's room for her to run, but there might be a little cool off in the morning. But like I said, right around here, there's a lot of resistance. And then there's another huge resistance at $1.27. So with that being said, this is critical zone right here. She needs to jump up, make this $1.23 support for the next leg up. Let's go to the hourly. The hourly is looking pretty healthy. This is kind of trending upwards. She might, like I said, she might come up. Look at all this resistance. Look at all these wicks right here. She needs to jump up and make this support. If she doesn't jump up and make this support, then yeah, she's just going to come right back down to the previous day low, which is like 115. But look at all this support. Look at all this wick. Look at 1 wick, 2 wick, 3 wick, 4 wick, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's all right here at $1.13. That's a huge support level right here at $1.13. The indicator says $1.14. I say $1.13 because of the wicks. But also on the 1 hour, it's got that buy signal. And if you guys watch me and talk to me, I'll tell you I love that 1 hour buy signal or sell signal. That really helps me, especially on the 4 hour as well. But she does look good, and she does look like she's trending in the right way, which is upward. On the 4 hour chart, let's jump back to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. So the 4 hour chart, you can tell that there's huge support at $1.08. Look at all the support right here. She came up and pretty much lost all her gains right around this level. So she came up, lost all her gains, came right back down to the same level. The low this time was like $1.13, $1.14. So, but look at the MACD and RSI. She's crossing over. She looks like she's going to skyrocket. But let's keep in mind that there's huge resistance around this level. Look at the wick. Look at the wick. I mean, huge resistance. I mean, there's resistance at $1.27. There's huge resistance at like $1.25. This is a huge area of resistance. Once she breaks this resistance at like $1.35 and makes that support, then to me she's going to the upside. But she does look healthy. Let's go to the daily. As you can see, she gapped down. She came up, gapped down, but never lost this support right here. This support around this level is huge. But it's right in this channel. Right in this channel. Let's draw something on here for you guys so you guys could see it. This right here is a huge level of resistance right there. Look it. Every time it goes up, it gets beat down, beat down, beat down. It's getting back towards it. So to me, it needs to make 123 to 125 support. Then it needs to jump up and make 135 support. Now, when it goes to fill this gap right here, huge resistance in this level. This whole level is resistance in my mind, because she might jump up and fill the gap, and she might turn around and gap close reversal and then crash down back to the previous day low. You know, which is like $1.16, which would be $1.22 tomorrow. But so, you know, just be careful with it. I mean, it's right in this resistance zone. I do have calls a couple months out, but I might take profit all along the way. If she comes up, this huge resistance at $1.35, another huge resistance at $1.43, another huge resistance at $1.46. I mean, and then once it closes this gap, yikes. That's where you want to look. I mean, if it goes up and it looks bearish, I'm going to sell and I'm going to ride it on the way back down. I play both ways. I do enjoy being a bear sometimes more than being a bull. That's just, I don't know, just I make more money that way. But with that being said, I'll ride it up and I'll ride it down. She might go up and then have a micro pullback back down to 135 and then be bullish again. It just really depends. But this whole area is really important. This is a make or break it area. But she never lost this support. As you can see, the support here is huge. Huge support around this level. So with that being said, I'm bullish on it. If she just needs to break above this level and make it support, once she makes it support, she fills this gap. If she fills this gap, I'm telling you, and makes it support, she's going to rip. There are gaps up above at $1.78. There's another one at $1.90. If she gets up to $1.90, yeah, $1.90, like 6 cents to $2, make that support. The next support ain't, I mean, the next resistance really ain't to $3 and $3. So with that being said, guys, let's make this money. Be careful. Tight stop loss. I don't know. I have a stop loss. I don't ever hold anything past a certain percentage. I don't care what it's looking like. I'm not hoping on magic star or whatever. When I hit my percentage of loss, I get out. It just is what it is. There's plenty of times I got out and 3 or 4 hours later, I would have been in the money. But the unknown, it's just not worth it. You just take your profits or your losses, and you will take losses along the way. So with that being said, let's just keep making money. Like, subscribe. Looking for some upside tomorrow, especially the whole market was red today, and everything started coming around on my watch list. Most of the things started like trying to go green towards the end of the day, so that's a good sign that tomorrow will be a bullish day. I haven't looked at the futures yet or anything like that, so let's just make this money. Join the Discord. We got call outs. Yesterday I've been swinging para puts for a couple days now. Finally cashed out on them to make a good 30%. I mean, I'm also in Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, she's looking like she's making 63 cents. I mean, $63 support. If she can make $63 support, she's, but she's at the all-time high. Look at these wicks. It's just scary. I honestly feel like eventually she's going to go down. She might run up, though, a little bit. But Have a good one. Happy trading.